Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Task, and today I'm sitting at a staircase in my office building. This is my lunch time and I'm having lassi because it's too hot outside. So I'm not craving any food, I'm just craving, liquids. So yeah, दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड वीडियो एंड अभी तक मैंने वीडियो अपलोड इसीलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि देयर वाज नथिंग टू अपलोड. सो या आई केम बैक टुडे with a mini vlog actually because I went to Uttarakhand. We suddenly planned this trip, so I guess you would like to see what happened there, what we did. So yeah, I will be sharing everything, and also this was my first trip vlogging, so I might have missed recording some moments, but I'll share the moments I experienced and everything. And yeah, if you want to know some other things about the trip or the budget, then you can let me know in the comment section. And also I haven't recorded all the videos with the voice. I will be giving it a voiceover thing. So yeah, let me know. Keep supporting me. Here we are with my mini vlog. Bye. So we boarded the metro at around 9:30 p.m. and we were discussing our plans, and we were also enjoying the match too. And we decided to book a sleeper bus. So this is the sleeper bus that we booked. We got a cabin to sleep, and honestly it was my first time traveling in a sleeper bus. I don't know, it was my excitement or it was the bus that comforted me, but all the way throughout my destination I was sleeping. I was taking rest because I was very exhausted after the office timings. And we have already planned where we want to visit, and the next day we were excited. We planned to book a scooty to travel to our destinations. And here we booked a scooty for only 500 rupees for the whole day. And this is the first scenery, first view of mountains. And honestly, it was very nice to breathe fresh air because in Delhi, you can't breathe fresh, guys. You might know as well. And in our way to our destinations, we also get to see a famous lake in Nainital, which is called Bhimtal. And it was a very nice view. So our first destination was Kanchi Dham. This is Kanchi Dham. That day was Tuesday, so it was a bit crowded. But yeah, it was very nice to visit Kanchi Dham. The place was very peaceful. It has good vibes also. So the next stop was at a local restaurant where we had a little breakfast with Fritz and tea. So yeah, that was a very good thing. And here, India being India, guys, if you have spotted the India thing, then can you let me know in the comments? So the next step was at a river, and this was the most amazing thing in the whole trip. And I would personally recommend it to everyone. Whenever you visit Uttarakhand, do stop nearby a river and sit nearby the river. It's very peaceful. It gives you inner peace, I would say, because seeing a river flowing in its way, the sound, the nature, the vibes will be very nice, I'm sure. So our next stop was at a mechanic because I forgot to do the skincare. So I did a little skincare here, which only took at least 5 minutes. And then we also repaired our scooty, and then we were ready to go. So here we are. We then decided to visit our next destination, which was Kasar Devi Temple. It is a very famous temple of Kasar Devi in Uttarakhand, and above that there's a temple of Lord Shiva. And the view around this temple is very nice. The temple is not crowded, and you can sit peacefully there. This is the only thing that I like in the temples of mountains, because not many people visit these temples. These temples are not very famous, not overrated, but yeah, the view, the peace here, you will feel amazing. You should definitely visit this place once in a lifetime. So here's the view. It's very nice to sit in a view like this, on top of the mountains, the cool wind. It gives you inner peace, it gives you freshness, it gives you, a fuel to carry on your life. And honestly, in the famous temples, you will find crowded places where you can't sit for a long time. Here we spent at least 2 hours, and we were also video calling our parents because they didn't know that we were here. So we also invited them to have a look at it. And look, it's so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. And then after a time, we decided to step down, and honestly, the floor was very, very heated because, on top of the mountains, you can have fresh air, but at the same time, the sun is there also. And then we reached the place where we got our slippers, so we went down, and the next step was this, the famous temple of Lord Bolu. And this is in Chitai, and it is famous for justice. Everyone write their letters here, and the wish that is written in letters get fulfilled. And it's a really nice experience. And this is the thing that happened there, guys. A monkey came to sit on our lap. Then we had our next lunch in a local restaurant, and honestly, the taste of mountains, the taste of authentic Uttarakhand was very nice.